Imagine waking up one morning and discovering that something impossible has happened. No warning, no explanation, no clues. For decades, scientists, researchers, and experts have tried to solve some of the world's greatest mysteries. They have used advanced technology, explored remote locations, and spent millions of dollars searching for answers. Yet some mysteries remain completely unsolved. Today, we're diving into one of the strangest mysteries scientists still can't explain. A phenomenon so bizarre that even modern science struggles to understand it. And the deeper you look, the more mysterious it becomes. Our story begins in a remote part of the world. Far from busy cities and crowded streets lies a place that has fascinated scientists for generations. For years, people reported strange events happening there. Witnesses described unusual patterns, unexplained sounds, and occurrences that seemed to defy logic. At first, many dismissed these stories as rumors. After all, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. But as reports continued to appear, researchers started paying attention. What they discovered only raised more questions. Instead of finding a simple explanation, they encountered a puzzle unlike anything they had seen before. As interest grew, teams of scientists traveled to investigate. They brought cameras, sensors, computers, and specialized equipment. Their goal was simple: find out what was really happening. The researchers carefully recorded data. They monitored environmental conditions. They studied weather patterns. They analyzed geological activity. And they compared years of observations. Yet the results were surprising. Every explanation seemed to leave important questions unanswered. Some experts believed the phenomenon was caused by natural forces. Others suggested unusual environmental conditions. A few even proposed entirely new theories, but none could fully explain all the evidence. The mystery remained. What makes this case so fascinating is the evidence itself. Normally, scientific mysteries are solved once enough information is collected. But this mystery behaves differently. Every new discovery creates even more questions. Some observations appear completely normal. Others seem impossible. Researchers have documented events that occur without any clear pattern. Sometimes the phenomenon appears frequently. Other times it disappears for months or even years. This unpredictability makes it incredibly difficult to study. Imagine trying to solve a puzzle when the pieces keep changing shape. That's exactly what scientists are dealing with. Over the years, many theories have emerged. One theory suggests that rare natural processes may be responsible. Another points to unique geological conditions. Some researchers believe the answer lies in atmospheric science. Others think hidden environmental factors are involved. Each theory explains part of the mystery, but none explains everything. This is what frustrates scientists the most. In science, evidence usually leads toward answers. In this case, evidence often leads in multiple directions at once. And when experts disagree, the mystery grows even larger. Today, scientists have tools that previous generations could only dream about. Satellites orbit the Earth. Artificial intelligence analyzes massive amounts of data. Advanced sensors can detect tiny changes in the environment. Researchers hoped these technologies would finally solve the mystery. But something unexpected happened. The more data they collected, the more complicated the mystery became. New patterns appeared. Old assumptions were challenged. Questions that seemed answered suddenly became uncertain again. Technology revealed details nobody had noticed before. Yet the final answer remained out of reach. You might wonder why scientists continue studying this mystery. The answer is simple. Mysteries drive discovery. Throughout history, some of the greatest scientific breakthroughs began as unexplained observations. What seemed impossible eventually led to new knowledge, new technologies, and sometimes entirely new fields of science. This mystery may hold important clues about how our world works. It may reveal something humanity has never understood before, and that possibility keeps researchers searching. Today, investigations are still ongoing. Scientists continue collecting data. Researchers continue testing theories. New discoveries appear every year, yet no single explanation has gained universal acceptance. The mystery remains open, waiting, challenging everything we think we know. Perhaps the answer will be discovered tomorrow. Perhaps it will take another century. Or perhaps this mystery will remain unsolved for generations to come. Science has answered countless questions throughout human history. We've explored space, mapped the oceans, decoded DNA, and built machines capable of incredible things. Yet some mysteries still stand before us, reminding us that there is much we do not know. And maybe that's what makes them so fascinating. Because sometimes the greatest discoveries begin with a simple question. Why? If you enjoyed this documentary and want more mysteries, science stories, and unexplained phenomena, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And tell us in the comments, what mystery do you think scientists will never be able to explain? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next documentary.